Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I will read my summary. The first, wastewater treatment. The water we use today is water that has existed since ancient time. What makes the difference is the water quality of each generation. Therefore, we must maintain the current water so that it can still be used for the next generation. One of which is by utilizing wastewater treatment. Industrial wastewater treatment is more complex when compared to domestic water treatment because the composition in it is heavier when discarded into the environment. Pumping air into water is not simple because it will change the organic and inorganic component. The inorganic can from oxide and the organic can be decomposed by microbes. If this is not done, what about the environmental condition? Next, there is water filtering. This is one done so that water and waste are separated so as not interfere with the piping. The filtering can use a machine, then balanced so that the treatment carried out can be uniform. Then this microbe is added to a bioreactor that can break down organic solids and reduce nutrient level. The number of pollutants can be reduced by adding microbe. Why add microbe? Because they are natural ingredients and very cheap. Don't need high energy. Some waste cannot be given only by microbe because the waste is so heavy. Microbe cannot be given directly. They still need to add chemical first to they can still separately. Microbe usually devoted to organic compound. When an organic pollutant, the microbe will eventually. Next, there is sclerifer. This sclerifer moves continuously. The bottom is like a cone. The top is steered. If the steering is low, the top will stir. That way the sediment will be more easily generated. Then the sediment is taken and dried so that it does not rot. Once deposited, then the follow will be clear, then given disinfectant. If the disinfectant is given early, the microbe will dead. Then after that, the sample was taken and tested. The water we use now is water that has been passed down for generation and is well maintained, so that it remains clean water. Human civilization has succeeded in following water source. Mesopotamia, which is called the beginning of civilization, is located between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers. Ancient Egyptian civilization depended on the Nile. Major human centers such as Rotterdam, London, Montreal, Paris, New York City, Shanghai, Tokyo, Chicago, and Hong Kong gained their glory in part because of their ease access by water. Clean water comes from the forest, river, and average of more than 40 cubic kilometer of fresh water is obtained from the Watt River. The second rainfall in Nisling rain is a source of clean water. Individual, group, government usually buy expensive dam and water reservoirs to store clean water during the dry season and to reduce flood damage. And the third, surface water. Surface water is water that is on the surface of the earth that comes from rainwater that falls to the earth's surface but is on the ground. The quality of this water usually depends on the surrounding area where the water is located. Surface water is not good for direct consumption by human. Therefore, it is necessary to treat it first before being used. The water consists of river, lakes, swamps, and so on. And the fourth, underground water. Underground water is water that comes from rain that falls to the earth's surface, which then absorbed into the ground and undergoes a natural filtration process. This type of water source includes shallow wells, deep wells, and springs. However, the cleanness of the water gradually decreases due to human activity. This can come from waste that pollute the surrounding environment. Waste is residual material product from activity and production process from various households such as the mining industry and other production product. Waste is considered to produce more negative things than positive, so that it becomes disturbing waste. Wastewater is water that has decreased in quality due to human influence. Municipal wastewater is usually discharged in combined sewers or sanitation sewers and treated in wastewater treatment facility or septic tanks that treat wastewater in released into the receiving water body through the discharge. Wastewater, especially urban waste, can be mixed with various impurities such as feces and urine. Wastewater comes from various. Broadly, wastewater can be grouped into the following. First, wastewater sourced from households, namely wastewater originating from residential area. In general, this wastewater consists of etc. Water used for washing kitchen and bedroom and generally consists of organic material. The second is industrial wastewater, which comes from various types of industry as a result of the production process. The substance contained in it vary greatly according to the raw material used by each industry. And the third, municipal wastewater, namely wastewater originating from urban area, trade, hotel, restaurant, public place of worship, and so on. In general, the substance contained in this type of water are the same as household wastewater. Impact of water pollution. The first, impact on the life of aquatic biota. Too many polluting substances in water will reduce oxygen levels dissolved in water. As a result, life in water that requires oxygen to be disturbed in this development. And the second, impact on groundwater quality. Water pollution on soil can be measured through vessel contamination on which scale. And the third, impact on health. Water pollution on health will transmit various diseases. And the last, impact on environmental aesthetic. The large number of organic substances that are discarded into the aquatic environment in the water are uncleanly polluted, which is characterized by a pungent odor, also followed by players that can reduce the aesthetic of the environment. And the function of the WWTP include treatment of agricultural wastewater in Western pesticide residues, and so on from the agricultural environment. Municipal wastewater treatment to dispose of human waste and other household waste. Industrial wastewater treatment to treat liquid waste from industrial and commercial manufacturing and activity. The waste management system used the wastewater treatment installation or EPAL system. Following the steps, the first inlet where water is entered for processing, and the treatment of each water is distinguished based on the type of water. And the second, screening or filter. Alert water filtering place so that there are no problem in the next process. In the third, equalization pond, a reservoir for excessive amount of waste. And the fourth, uniformity waste separator according to its character. And the fifth, cooling, to cool the waste where the waste is left to cool. In the sixth, biological aeration pond, contacting waste liquid with oxygen for easy decomposition, usually added by microba, and the microba used are aerobic microba. And the seventh, calorifer, a place for purification by sparing water and solids. And the eighth, precipitation, will be deposited between the sediment and the water. In the ninth, sand filter, replacement of poor ions and bonded with sand. This step there is important event. And the 10th, lagoon or control is found where the indicator of TPI used. If the tilapia is not dead or healthy, it can be interpreted that the water is suitable for disposal to the environment. And maybe enough from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.